Hey guys, what's going on today? We are going to be replacing the pulley tensioner, complete assembly. That's the new one I got off eBay. Look at it, you know, looks pretty intact, right? Pretty solid compared to the old one. You guys can see it's burnt out. Look at that. It's coming apart. It should not be able to do that. It should not be doing that. I don't know if you guys can see the rubber that goes in there. It is completely damaged, so it's not holding the belt on. In fact, it destroyed the belt. In fact, it destroyed the belt. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that bad boy down in there. I don't know if you guys can see, that's where it goes. I'm obviously gonna need it's a little wet down there, but so I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get that on now.